Greetings, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn how to use ReVCS using Docker. First, let's understand, why is ReVCS containerized using Docker? One of the most outstanding advantages of Docker is its portability. Docker containers encapsulate applications and their dependencies, making it easy to migrate applications between different environments seamlessly. ReVCS should work on all desktop platforms. Docker makes the development easier by just allowing us to focus on the development instead of worrying about multi-platform dependencies. Example: ReVCS engine interacts with some platform-specific code using where Mac OS, Linux or other Unix-style platforms have dependencies similar among each other, whereas Windows makes the development process almost different due to its difference in these platform dependencies. This is where Docker comes into picture and makes life easier. Now, let's understand this practically. Pull the Docker image using the command provided in the description to get the official ReVCS image from Docker Hub. Let me enter the command to run ReVCS using Docker. If you are on Windows platform, you should type cd instead of pwd. I am on Unix style platform, so I'll be using pwd. I have saved the image as ReVCS 0.99. You should use the actual image name from you got from the Docker Hub during pull if you have not changed the name like me, as you see on the screen. Let's run the command now. See, we've entered into Linux environment, where we can happily use ReVCS. We've linked the host folder to this Docker VM work folder so that we'll be working with real disk data from VM, which helps us to use ReVCS on real data and not virtual one. Any change in the work folder will be reflected in the host OS mapped real folder. See the working of mapping here. You can set an alias to this big Docker run command to save time in future by avoiding the typing of these long commands every time. My aliases are CS Docker. If I hit enter, the previous long command will be replaced and executed, resulting in same Linux environment. Let's enter into the map folder. To work with ReVCS, the jar file and its dependencies will be located in the folder ReVCS. Let's work with ReVCS now. This command starts the ReVCS engine by loading libraries using javia.library.pth and jar into JVM. Watch my previous videos to understand how to work with ReVCS to understand this video now. Let's continue now. See, the ReVCS capsule is created in my real machine even though ReVCS engine is running in virtual environment. You can set an alias to this big command just like how we did for Docker command to enter just ReVCS every time we run the ReVCS engine. Now, let's see if it works. C. The alias is working with, which we can interact with the ReVCS engine. This is how you can use ReVCS with Docker. One important note is that in Linux environment, each time you exit and enter again, the ReVCS alias should be created as Docker uses temporary storage, which will be deleted once exited. See Docker data storage tutorials to have the alias stored. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching.